Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on one of the hottest topics in remote work: how to build a career in artificial intelligence. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started.
That's a relief. AI feels so advanced. Is it really possible for a non-technical person to break into this field?
Absolutely. AI is not just for coders or data scientists anymore. With the right courses, anyone can build valuable skills and become a sought-after professional.
Perfect. Let's explore the top online courses for AI-related remote work and the career paths they open up.
If you're just starting out, foundational courses are key. They'll introduce you to basic AI concepts without overwhelming you. Here are my top picks. AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, offered by Coursera, cost free for the course. $49 for the certificate description, a beginner-friendly course that explains what AI is, how it works, and how it impacts industries. Job titles: AI Project Coordinator, AI Marketing Strategist, salary range, $50,000 to $70,000 per year. Elements of AI offered by University of Helsinki and Reaktor via EDX, cost-free description. An interactive course covering basic AI concepts and real-world applications. Job titles: AI Research Assistant, AI Content Specialist, salary range, $45,000 to $65,000 per year.
These sound accessible. What's the next step after building a foundation?
Once you understand the basics, you can specialize. Here's where the fun begins. Data Analyst or AI Analyst course. IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate, offered by Coursera, cost free for the course. $39 per month for the certificate description. Teaches data visualization, SQL, Python, and basics of AI-powered analysis. Job titles: Data Analyst, AI Analyst, salary range, $60,000 to $90,000 per year. AI-powered Marketing Specialist course, AI in Marketing Specialization, offered by Coursera via Darden School of Business, cost free for the course. $49 per month for the certificate description, explains how AI is transforming digital marketing through tools like sentiment analysis and personalization. Job titles: AI Marketing Specialist, Digital Marketing Analyst, salary range, $55,000 to $80,000 per year.
Marketing with AI. Now that's intriguing. What about more technical roles?
If you want to get hands-on with AI tools and systems, these certifications are excellent. Machine Learning Specialist course, Machine Learning by Stanford University, offered by Coursera, cost free for the course. $79 for the certificate description, a beginner-friendly course introducing machine learning concepts and algorithms. Job titles: Machine Learning Specialist, AI Developer, salary range, $70,000 to $120,000 per year. AI Engineer course, AI for beginners, offered by Microsoft via EDX, cost free for the course. $99 for the certificate description, focuses on AI development, deployment, and integration. Job titles: AI Engineer, Solutions Architect, salary range, $90,000 to $150,000 per year.
But what about non-technical roles? Can AI certifications help there too?
Definitely. AI is transforming almost every field. For example, HR Specialist with AI Focus course, People Analytics by Wharton, offered by Coursera, URL coursera.org/people-analytics, cost free for the course. $79 for the certificate description, teaches how AI is used in hiring, retention, and employee satisfaction. Job titles: HR Specialist, AI Talent Strategist, salary range, $50,000 to $85,000 per year. AI Content Creator course, Creative Applications of AI by Parsons School of Design, offered by EDX, URL edx.org/creative-AI, cost $49 for the course. $199 for the certificate description. Teaches how to use AI tools to enhance creative projects like video, writing, and design. Job titles: AI Content Creator, Digital Media Specialist, salary range, $50,000 to $75,000 per year.
This is a lot of information. How should someone structure their learning journey?
Here's a simple roadmap. Start with foundational courses like AI for Everyone or Elements of AI to understand the basics. Choose a specialization based on your interests, such as data analysis, marketing, or content creation. Pursue technical certifications if you want to work hands-on with AI systems. Apply your skills in real-world projects to build a strong portfolio.
And remember, the key is to focus. Pick one path, master it, and let your portfolio do the talking when it's time to apply for jobs.
This has been incredibly informative. Any final advice for aspiring AI professionals?
Yes, don't let the term AI intimidate you. Start small, stay curious, and remember, AI is a tool, and learning how to use it will make you invaluable in the workplace.
Your AI journey starts here. Check out the links in the description to explore these courses and take your first step toward an exciting remote career in AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone ready to join the AI revolution. Subscribe for more AI tips and career insights.